Smoke detector repair and replacement. Need reliable smoke detector repair and replacement in Naperville? Our expert technicians offer prompt, professional service to ensure your home's safety. We handle all types of smoke detectors, ensuring they function correctly to protect your family. Whether it's a simple battery replacement, troubleshooting, or installing new units, we provide comprehensive solutions. Our services are affordable and comply with the latest safety standards. Don't compromise on safety. Contact us today for a free consultation and ensure your smoke detectors are in top condition. Serving Naperville with pride and dedication. Your safety is our priority. Visit our site at ReliantElectrical.com today to book a call.